Before I see you on the next one, don't forget, guys, November is around the corner, like I said the other day. Don't forget to please share with your friends, with your family. Obana, it's getting down, go November. It's getting down, guys. Like, I am so excited about this giveaway. So please tell your friends, tell your family, tell everyone, tell your sisters, your girlfriends, your boyfriends, tell them, Uba, it's happening. Apakwa, it's Melo. Sizobane giveaway. Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 6 of October. It's a fridge and it's a little messy. Let me just clean it up to make it look representable to the people. If it wasn't because of Italian video, I bet y'all would assume that I'm here to take pictures. Because if I hear like corner, it's like garage. Then it's getting down. It's getting down. Okay, anyways, let's get started with the video. Share with you guys what we have inside our fridge. And I think I should share the cupboard as well. Health doors. I think I should share. Yeah, let me start with the cupboard, guys. And then again, this corner probably looks familiar. The reason and the shorter videos up, I mean dime up, it's because of the light over there, the light over there, the light over here. And besides that, yonkinto yam ilap. Like I have izinto zampa, I have izinto zampa, and then I have izinto zomntu wonke apha. For example, if unifuni beef stock, even when beef stock, but in reality, the beef stock, ibalap, just for example. So yeah, let me take you through. I want Injana, can you join if it's good? Okay, no, it's decent. Okay, let me take you through. Let me take you. Da 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 da. Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay. Let's start with the empty stuff. For starters, I have over here a container prune juice. Z2. I bought myself a prune juice and I didn't know who that but I bought myself a prune juice this other time, and then it was literally dried prunes. And I was like, okay, let me find out prunes. So I'm still in search of prunes, and then I'll make myself a prune juice. So that's why I still have as containers, so that in the up. On to the next. And then mascaling up. Then I have cocoa powder. And just about 10. What 10 guys? I have chai seeds. I have spices and donuts. Probably I am the kumbul, guys. And kumbul. And then I have butter. Fridge. I have butter. I have turmeric powder. Glad wrap. I have Simple Truth high protein macaroni. I have Simple Truth spaghetti. I have gluten-free flour mix. I have Future Life, chai seed. Sesame seeds. Himalayan. Is that how you pronounce it? Himalayan. Yeah, pink salt. Wait, do I have pink salt? Beko ginger spice. Guys, yazi obsessed about containers because I literally don't know. But beko salty up. Cayenne pepper. Extra chamomile tea. extra green tea. I have canola oil. I have black beans, and then baby flour. It's still sealed. And I don't know why, but I know for a fact it will come in handy in future. Just a few seconds, guys. I call it my tea and coffee corner. The reason this baker up, it's because out of sight, out of mind. Relationship for example, every day ngabo 5-6ish I have to drink chamomile because andilali toto if andiselanga. So if andibekanga apha ndizawulibala because I know soze ndingaze kitchen around about lo maxesha ndizokwenza anything ndizayibona, then I'll remember, oh okay, it's tea time. So I have I have green tea, chamomile, and I have senna. Sorry. And then I also have Herbalife tea, and I have you'll know the drill most. You'll know the drill. And then I have my 2 multifibers. Yeah. So the situation is like I up at like on out of sight, out of mind. So must be lap. Now let's get to the fridge. The exciting part. There's nothing exciting about it. To stay tuned. Welcome to the fridge. Yeah. Yeah, Banaga. Yeah. Yeah, Banaga. Okay, so kala apamos and then we go down. We have amakanda mambalwa for starters. I have amakanda mambala over there. I think it's 2 or 3. And then I think y'all know Babin Tenyen to have this. Are you sweetie? This radiator. Oh, predator. Hey, energy drink. Utatwabu somewhere up. They send ivulile and then I couldn't sana sweet nanzinto. Left over ye tomato paste. Crushed chili. What? Crushed garlic. Crushed garlic and chili. Plain yogurt. Yeyobuso. We don't eat this. We do, but asiyithenga so bezizokwenza lonto. But lena, that's why you're lapping food so that when I do my plain yogurt and turmeric face mask. Probably ngutosa besebenzisa le mayonnaise ogqibela isebenzisa. So ke mna ke ndingilamntu. If into uyibonile uba iyaphela, awayiqongqotha. And then yani ifuna uqongqotha. Awayiqongqotha izoqongqothwa ndim. So it's probably my mom who was using it. So ke mna ndavula le mayonnaise. And then sihle. Okay, we need to close. And then oh yeah, I can see. Amanzi. Tell you one thing. Asekushushu, mama uyaziqokelela ezimbombozi like it's getting out of fashion. Aziqokelela azigalela amanzi, kubekho iced water, kubekho amanzi apha ngaphezulu. I'm like, girl, like make tomato sauce, bekho let me attempt Worcestershire sauce. Make Worcestershire sauce. Make barbecue sauce. Let's close it. I won't take you through guys. This is leftovers, so there's really nothing wrong with leftovers. Beetroot, my milk, soy milk, everyone else's milk, my second serving yanamhlanje. Today I had green smoothie. Then we go down. Amasi, Oros, my homemade green juice, my store-bought green juice. Ungandibuza ukutheni iselwe yaselwa. Yeke. Then singene apha ku first drawer. Masivale fridge kancinci. And then the first compartment. Can you all even see? Sending then take you down, down, down. Okay. Apple is spinach. And who knows cooper guys green pepper, cauliflower, have orange umbrella. We have apple. Yeah, apple. And then check the next compartment. Veggie. Oh, sorry. We have carrot, onions, butternut, sweet potato, and then oh, by the way, guys, please, I know some of your cookies in Dennis Faga your fridge. I mean, ending as Fagi your fridge, for example, onions. I'm sure not everyone does that. Probably Nifaga used onion, like half your onion in a fridge. Don't come for us. This is what we do. This is what we've been doing. Okay? Okay. Next, the last one. And go no man's Anifaka deep freezer because deep freezer look inokutya komntu wonke. Not only into like that I want. Ooh. Okay. I got so excited. I got so excited. Yeah, but this is this thing. Okay. Lemon yard. Mint leaves. We have mozzarella cheese, lemon. Oh gosh. Cocoa, lemon and grapefruit. Sweet potato. And what else? Yeah, and this very sweet thing and all the good stuff. And make actually, guys, jokes. Shut again, just strong. And I don't know if I should take you through in a deep freezer. Let me first check what we have. Then I'll see. Frozen packs that I made the other day. When was it? Sunday. Yeah. These are easy. The thing is the frozen smoothie packs. This is fish. Ababuki sausage. The reason I have these is because I am on a liquid diet, as you all know. But okay, sharp. But this guys, just because kutiwa inyama and mna andi it does not mean when the time is right I will not eat it. I am going to eat lenyama when the time is right. This is for Almal Indies. And that's it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. You know, this is the reason why ningathanda ushuta emini kakhulu, because because I wake up very early, and yeah, 7:30 is very early. I wake up very early, guys, and then boom, my energy levels are just so yeah. I hope you did enjoy watching this video. I will see you on, I told you most, tomorrow I am not shooting content because wow, and so wish me luck if you can. Yeah, I will see you on Saturday. Something is happening on Saturday, so I'm not quite sure if I will be able to to create content or not. Sawubonana kodwa, guys, sawubonana. A blondie, make a plan. See you on the next one. Bye.